Let's select the default cube and jump into Sculpt mode. Now, grab the Draw tool, click and drag and nothing happens. Switch over to wireframe mode. And here's the problem. We only have 6 faces to sculpt on, not enough detail. Jumping back into solid mode, let's activate Dintopo. This automatically adds new faces as we sculpt, giving us more detail to work with. Lowering the detail size makes the sculpt even finer. Now, you'll see that faces are being automatically generated as we sculpt. Pretty cool, right? Let's undo a few steps. Another way to add more faces for sculpting is by using remesh. The voxel size slider controls how detailed the mesh is. Lower values mean more detail. Now, we've got tons of faces to work with. Just keep in mind that with Dintopo turned off, we're only sculpting on existing faces, not generating new ones. Back in object mode, don't forget to right-click and change the shading for a smoother look. That's it for now. Catch you later.